Hello folks, John Goldstein here. I want to show you what happens when a customer has a vision for a vintage teardrop trailer that they picked up when you put it into the hands of the professionals at Leisure Coachworks. Let me go over some of the details that makes this beauty shine. Let's take a look. Right here you have a hand crank A-frame jack, complemented by a sealed 12-volt battery, a 20-pound propane tank, a nice big storage tote for all of your cords and your hoses, on a brand new A-frame with a whole new hitch. With that custom exterior, trying to make the Bauhaus design pop and be exactly what she wanted with that yellow, black, red, and teal. It's got a Leisure LED porch light, GFCI outlet, table that hides away underneath the bed. Gotta love those beautiful moonies and those nice white walls completing that retro look, accented by those original marker lights and turn signals, complemented by this hand-done stainless steel kitchen area. Can't forget all those blues and reds. No wasted space. You have storage here, drawers here, more storage, more drawers, and more storage. All for mica, that custom color for the customer. Can't forget, sometimes you gotta eat. Dometic 2-burner cooktop with a built-in sink and a water pump, accented by an 8-gallon water tank. It's got a Dometic Cool-Matic refrigerator. You have your water pump, a Propex propane heater, a nice disconnect so that way you don't drain your batteries, a 1500-watt inverter and charger. Right here we have our Leisure LED round recessed lighting in that stainless steel overhead. Right here you have a GFCI outlet. That way you can plug in whatever you need to right here in this space. Complemented by this shade overlaid with stainless steel. This is the actual piece that we cut from an awning fabric to match the outside, and it's been stitched and buttoned to go on the outside and tie in on the inside, giving you shade on both sides regardless of where you're at. Another upgrade that we did, it used to have that bar that flipped up and held this open. We added 2 gas struts, giving it enough power to lift it up without a lot of effort. Another request from this customer, she wanted to be able to have a bike rack. So we installed this receiver hitch that slides in, bolts through right here, so you can either have it or not have it if it's gonna be in the way. Over here on the passenger side, you have your freshwater fill for your 8-gallon water tank, another GFCI outlet, another Leisure LED porch light. You have a 100-watt Monte Crystal flexible Renogy solar panel and the Dometic roof vent. Just behind the entry door, check out all the pop. Right here you have that beautiful yellow hand-laid Formica wall overlay, accented by a memory foam mattress with space underneath here for this table. You have a rain gutter to keep the water off the outside. Now that I'm on the inside, let me show you all the comforts of home that we built into the inside to really make this unit function. It's got plenty of storage here, more storage up here, a fantastic power vent up here, more Leisure LED can lighting, giving you ample light. For all that late night book reading or catching up on where we're at on YouTube, you could turn this bad boy on, bring it over wherever you want, and light it up. Over here is your MPPT controller for that Renogy monocrystal bendable panel, giving you all the readouts so you always know what kind of voltage is coming in and where your batteries are at. Here's your control for that Propex propane heater, making sure you give it the right amount of temperature and the right amount of fan. Another GFCI outlet, a 12-volt outlet, and plenty of space. Now that we've went over the details and you guys have all gotten the first peek, let's go show it to the customer and get the final approval from her.
That is so darn cute. Oh, who'd have thunk, huh? Who'd have thunk? Oh, so cute. Oh.
Oh my God.
I love the colors. The colors turned out so beautifully. Ah, check it out. Check out the back. Oh, it's so darn cute. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Oh, John.
Nice to see you.
Yeah. It is.
So let me know whenever you're ready. I'll set up and let you take a peek.
Oh, I love. Look what they put on there.
Oh.
That's so. You guys got it. You so got it. Oh.
Open it, open it, open it.
Ready for what's behind door number 1?
Oh my God! It looks so.
Talk about transformation.
Drawers.
They close.
You don't have that pole to hold it up anymore? Sure, you can put it back. We did keep the
I
pole.
want that pole.
I know you're going to beat somebody with it, right?
You got that right. Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
And look at an outlet. Oh. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Look at that. Oh, you know.
That is awesome.
I know. And you know, I don't mind camping. But it's really nice to know that you can be clean and be camping. Yeah. But still, oh, perfect.
What's this?
That's a fridge.
Yep.
That's a fridge.
Wow. Very cool.
And then you wanted to have that spot for your bike, right?
Yes.
thinking about that.
Check it out.
So we have this right here. So that way when you're not having the bikes on,
And you don't go, whacking yourself against it.
all the time.
Uh-huh.
And then you put a pin through there and you put your bikes and you're all set.
Isn't that brilliant? That's brilliant. And check it out. I love what you did here. I know what this is. This is for the table, huh?
What table? What are you talking about?
Oh, wait a
Okay,
second.
so you got to take a peek inside before I
Oh,
show you
wait a
everything
second. Oh my God. Oh my God. OMG.
Lay down.
Oh, look at it's even long enough for my legs. Yeah. Look at this is so. Remember what it had?
Flowers.
Oh, it was not beautiful. Oh, it had those funky little fans in the corner. Oh my God! Check it out. Look at that. Isn't that brilliant? Jeez Louise. I'm Cheri. And my teardrop trailer is the one that's been worked on here. I had an inspiration from some pictures that I saw in Sunset Magazine. And when we got the trailer, it needed a lot of work and it needed to say fun. It kind of said hippie, and now it's gonna say just a good time. And I'm planning on taking the teardrop to a lot of different national parks mostly. Nothing too far out in the middle of nowhere, but just I'm picturing trips to the beach, I'm picturing trips, to the Sequoias and to Yosemite, and boy, just about anywhere I can get my car is where I want to take the teardrop. My first trip with the teardrop is planned to go to my friend's sister's house in Paso Robles. So we're gonna stop somewhere along the way, along the beach, and try it out for the first time. So my husband and I found our house back in 1997, and it was a mid-century modern made by A.C. Martin. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful bones, and I thought
when I'm doing the teardrop, I really had my house in mind. Just the open concept, the easy lines, and this teardrop works absolutely into that whole vibe, and kind of makes me a little more excited to see it parked in front of the house, even though that's not really where I want to see it. But the teardrop just turned out perfectly. The colors, the functionality, just the whole spirit of fun, it's all there, and I am ready to go and start to make some new memories in it. I cannot wait.
Part of the story is my husband passed away just 2 years ago, and this was a way for me to go on and do something, kind of open a new chapter in my life. And it was supposed to be about fun, and this hits the mark 100%.
I'm really sorry for your loss, and I'm sorry to hear about that. And I hope this is everything you want to start a new chapter and just go have a good time and make memories that are new. And I'm very sorry.
Well, you know, he would be happy to see this. He would be, he was an adventurer.
I think from the reactions and the overall expressions on their face, they were happy. And thank you to all of our staff that put all of their heart and soul into make this everything she wanted. And hopefully it can help her on that journey to make new memories and make new chills for whatever comes her way and wherever this road may take her. Safe travels and on to the next one.